Hi there, Peter Vox here, and welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. If you like this channel, please click subscribe and like to keep up with the new videos that we will be releasing. If we could help you or someone that you know with their singing or your singing, please follow the links below. We would really love to help you out with your singing journey. Let's get into the next question here. The next question is, do I need any experience to start singing lessons? Absolutely not. All you need is a will to learn and take on the knowledge that the singing teacher is going to give you and help you to improve your voice. Here at Vox Singing Academy, all of our professional singing teachers will guide you and assess you on the first lesson, find out a little bit about what you want to do, what genre you like to sing, your interests. Then they're going to be giving you some skills and scales. Your voice is a muscle, and this will be recorded for you to take home and practice. Scales are recorded on piano, and they're similar to ma with your voice. This will be your homework to warm up your voice and to improve your voice at home. The teacher will also be guiding you onto songs that will best suit your vocal range, though you'll be picking the songs out so that you enjoy singing the genre of music that you like. Though it's very, very important that you sing songs that are sounding good for your voice. So the teacher's going to find out whether you're a low, in the middle, or high voice. Now, being a male, that would be bass, baritone, tenor. Females, contralto, alto, soprano. So the teacher will tell you, or all of our teachers at Vox Singing Academy will tell you what type of voice you are so that they can best suit the songs to your vocal range. We'll also be going over breathing as well too, teaching you to breathe through your diaphragm, which is very important. But again, to answer this question, do I need any experience to start singing lessons? Absolutely not. Just a will to learn, be open-minded to improve your voice, and mainly to have fun. Singing should be fun. It's great for your health. It makes you feel good. It releases endorphins. And I'm blessed to have a fantastic job where I can teach people how to sing as well too. So I must thank everyone that's ever come to us before, to me, for singing lessons. Thank you very much. And also my current group of amazing students. Thank you for allowing me to do a job that I really, really love. If we could help you out with your singing, please let us know. We'd really, really love to do that. And again, you don't need any experience to take singing lessons. You can be an absolute hobby singer, all the way up to a professional singer, and we would be able to help you out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Be good to each other. Bye-bye.